Hello students, welcome CM2 to lesson 3. Good morning to those who are going to be watching this video in the morning, and good afternoon to those who are going to be watching this video in the afternoon. I do hope you had a wonderful weekend, that you stayed indoors, and that you are keeping safe and healthy. That's the most important thing, okay? So we need to drink lots of warm water and take our vitamin C and go outside and get some sunshine if we can, and come back in the house and keep safe and wear our masks, okay? All right. Today we are going to be doing lesson 3 of unit 7. And our theme for unit 7 is which one is cheaper? Okay, please repeat after me. Which one is cheaper? Which one is cheaper? Good job. Okay. And now we are going to do a vocabulary recap by checking the answers for number 1 on page 44. Okay. Remember last class we had to do this. Now we will check the answers together. Okay. I will read out the letter. So check that you have the right letter. If not, change it and write the right letter in your book. And I will say the word, the letter and the word, and you will repeat, okay? Because we are recapping vocabulary. We are saying it again. We are reminding ourselves. We are revising it. Okay, so number 1 is K. A t-shirt. A t-shirt. Good. Okay, number 2 was C. Baggy pants. Baggy pants. So the answer for number 2 is C. And moving on to number 3, L. Sneakers. Sneakers. Good job, okay? Number 4 was E. A colorful sweater. A colorful sweater. Good job. And moving on to number 5 was I. The answer is I. Jeans. Jeans. Good job. And number 6 is G. The answer is a scarf. A scarf. Good job. 6 is G. Okay. 7 is A. A dress. A dress. Good job. And final one. Oh no, it's not the final one. My mistake. Number 8, D. A nice jacket. A nice jacket. Good job. Okay, let's move on to number 9, which is F. High heels. High heels. Good job. And number 10 is J. A dark suit. A dark suit. Good job. Let's move on to H. A tie. A tie. Good job. 12 is B. A white t-shirt. A white t-shirt. Good job. Okay, now let's go to our student books, SB. If I say SB, I mean student book. If I say WB, I mean workbook. So when I type to you and you see SB, you know, oh, student book. And if you see WB, you know, oh, workbook. Okay, good job. Okay, let's look at page 44 on our student books, SB. Page 44, we will change the words that are underlined. Number 3, we will change the words that are underlined. Number 3 here. And we are going to use any words we want from the clothing vocabulary, okay? Any words we want from the clothing vocabulary. Okay, so I'm going to change it. You can also change it yourself, but you don't have to say what I say. You can write anything you want. You can choose a colorful sweater, a t-shirt, sneakers, baggy pants, anything you want. Okay, right, let's start. So we have two people speaking, A and B. Okay, A says, now I'm changing the words that are underlined. You change the word and you put in another clothing item, your choice. Okay, all right, let's go. Okay, number one, do you ever wear a dress? So I changed it to dress. And B, no, I never wear a dress. I usually wear baggy pants. Okay, I usually wear baggy pants. And then we have A. Do you like tie? Do you like a ties? And then B. Yes, I do. Do you like ties? B says, yes, I do. Okay. And then A, I'm changing them to it, right? How often do you wear it? Because it's one thing. One thing is it, many things is them. Okay? How often, or something with plural. When you write it, if it has plural, then it's them. How often do you wear it? I wear it often. Okay, you can say I wear it often, or I sometimes wear it. Okay, or I usually wear it. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you how to answer, right? How to answer, and I'm going to send you something on the assignment board that you check and you have to practice. Okay, repeat after me. Okay, so this is how often questions. How often? How often do you? How often do you wear it? How often do you wear them? Okay. Often. Usually. Often and usually mean the same thing. Okay. Sometimes. Sometimes. Never. Never. Always. Always. Seldom. Seldom. Okay, so I'm going to send you a chart where you can see what each word means. Okay, quantity is the amount of how many times you do something. Okay, do you often do it? Do you usually do it? Do you never do it? So that's 0%. Do you always do it? That's 100%. Do you seldom do it? That's like 2%, 4%, so you don't really do it. Okay, so I'm going to send you a chart and you can practice frequency, right? You can practice frequency, how often a person does something. We call that frequency. Usually, sometimes, never, always, seldom. That is frequency, okay? It will help you to answer. When somebody asks you a question, for example, how often do you drink water? So you look at your frequency chart. Usually, always, never, seldom, sometimes. Okay. I sometimes drink water. Okay. So you are able to answer the question. Okay. All right. Now we're going to check the answers for the conversation on page 45. Okay. So we go to our SB student books and we turn to page 45. Here you go. We are finished with 45, but now we are checking the answers. Okay? We are checking the answers. Okay. So number one, we have Kelly and we have Emily. Kelly and Emily. Number one answer is shoes. Everybody write down the answer. Shoes. And if you have it right, then good. All right. You can check it with the red pen if you like. Number 2 is shirt. Shirt. So check your book, number 2, and write it down. Conversation, page 45, student book. Number 3 is $150. $150. Good. Number 4 answer is cooler. Cooler. Okay. So those are our answers. Okay. So now I will go through the conversation. I will read the conversation and you will also repeat after me. Okay. So when I do this gesture, you know it's your turn to read. Okay. So we are looking in our SB, page 45 and number 1 conversation. We are reading the conversation now that we have the answers. Okay. All right. So Kelly says, what are you looking for? What are you looking for? Emily says, I need a pair of shoes. But first, I need a new... but first, I need a new shirt. Okay, your turn. Good. Okay. I need a pair of shoes, but first I need a new shirt. Good job. Okay. Kelly says, okay, what about these two? Which one do you prefer? Good job. Okay, what about these two? Which one do you prefer? And Emily says, which one is more expensive? Which one is more expensive? Kelly says, the black one. The black one. Okay. Emily, how much is it? How much is it? Wow, it's $150. Wow, it's $150. Good job. What about the red one? What about the red one? Kelly, it's $39. It's $39. Emily, I think the black one is cooler than the red one. I think the black one is cooler than the red one. Okay, good job. Kelly, yeah, but the red one is cheaper. Yeah, but the red one is cheaper. Emily, I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised. Okay, and remember our theme is which one is cheaper? So they got to compare two things. Which one is cheaper? Okay, good job. Now let's turn to page 46 in our SB. 46, we are going to be looking at language practice. We already finished this page, right? I told you that it's part of your classwork to do number 1 and Number 2, right? Did I say do number 3? 1, 2, and 3. Yes. I'm not sure if I said number 3, but like let's look at 1 and 2. Okay, let's look this page, looking at number 1 and number 2, and we are checking our answers from last time. Okay. Number 1, you have to complete the sentences and use the adjectives or the word in parentheses. Okay, so there's a word in parentheses or brackets that you are supposed to use. Okay, all right, but you're supposed to add something and change it. Okay, let's look at number 1. It's already there, the answer. So if you look at your book, regular jeans are cheaper than designer jeans. Okay, so the word in parentheses was cheap. Cheap, answer is cheaper than. Okay, it's already there. Okay, and then number 2, the word in parentheses is comfortable. Everybody say comfortable. Comfortable. Okay, so the answer is old shoes are more comfortable than new ones. Okay, so our answer is more comfortable than, THAN, more comfortable than. Okay, more comfortable than. Old shoes are more comfortable than new ones. Good job. Okay, number 3. The word in parentheses is colorful. Everybody say colorful. Colorful. Good job. Okay, right. Her sweater is more colorful than your black one. So our answer is more colorful than. More colorful than. So check your work, check your book, and if your answer is right, but if it's not right, then you need to check it. Okay, so I will read the sentence. Her sweater is more comfortable than your, colorful, number 3. Her sweater is more colorful than your black one. Good job. And number 4, the word in parentheses is nice. Nice. Okay, so the answer is nicer than. Nicer than. Okay, so now I'm going to read the answer. This scarf is nicer than the dirty one. This scarf is nicer than the dirty one. Good job. Okay, so we are finished checking the answer for that. Okay, let's look at number 2. You will use the words as and as. Okay, as. Okay. All right, let's look at it. Number 1. Designer jeans aren't as cheap as regular jeans. So the answer there was aren't as cheap as. Aren't as cheap as. Okay, number 2. The answer is aren't as comfortable as. Okay, aren't as comfortable as. These new shoes aren't as comfortable as my old ones. These new shoes aren't as comfortable as my old ones. Good job. All right. Okay, let's move on to number 3. The answer is isn't as colorful as. Isn't as colorful as. Okay, let's look at the whole sentence. Your black sweater isn't as colorful as hers. Your black sweater isn't as colorful as hers. Good job. Okay, and our last one is number 4. The answer is isn't as clean as. Isn't as clean as. Okay, let's look at the full sentence. That dirty scarf isn't as clean as this one. That dirty scarf isn't as clean as this one. Okay, right, we got that. Okay, and number 3, so the answers will be different. Everyone will have a different answer. You must give your own opinion, okay, what you think. Do you think designer clothes are more comfortable than regular clothes? Then you write your answer. You finished that already. Okay, that was your own opinion. Okay, good job. Let's look at pronunciation. Pronunciation is page 46. We are going to be doing word stress. Okay, word stress right at the bottom. Okay, I will say or read out the sentence and you will repeat. Okay, you'll repeat. Notice how I stress the words that are being compared. Okay, so listen how I stress the words and you do the same thing when you repeat. Okay, all right, let's look at number 1. Please repeat after me at the bottom of page 46 in your SB student books. Okay, the black bag is cooler than the red one. The black bag is cooler than the red one. Okay, right. So you repeat. The black bag is cooler than the red one. Good job. Okay, number 2. My new phone is cheaper than the old one. My new phone is cheaper than the old one. Good job. Number 3. Your shoes are newer than mine. Your shoes are newer than mine. Good job. Okay, number 4. My jeans are more comfortable than my skirt. My jeans are more comfortable than my skirt. Okay, good job. Okay, guys, great job, everyone. I will send you your homework on LMS. I'll send you your homework on LMS. But you also have to do page 47, which is listening in your student book for classwork, okay? And you have to put in the right words for number 1, listen and put in the right words. And number 2, listen and select the clothes that you hear. And number 3, listen again and complete the answers. So for listening in your student book, please do number 1, number 2, and number 3. Don't do number 4, okay? Do not do number 4. Okay, good job, everyone. And you must check your LMS for your homework and the assignment board. Okay, see you next class and good luck. If you have any questions, please contact me on LMS and later we will make a Kakao group for our own class. Okay? All right. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye.